This is the perfect Christmas. I got my gingerbread house, my Christmas tree. Really, there's nothing missing. You're right. I could use a Yule log. A savory Yule log? Okay, I will make one now. All right. Oh my God, Bert, I'm just trying to do my intro. It's fine. Huh? Hey, so I know what you're thinking. A savory Yule log? What is that? Well, I one time asked AI to make me a recipe for a savory Yule log. I did, Bert. I did. And it turned out pretty tasty, but like, it was okay. And I feel like I can make it better. So today, I'm gonna make it better. What do we need first, Bart? Flank steak! Excuse me. Hey. You don't have that many lines on this show. I'm gonna need you to chill out a bit, okay? Bart, I'm trying to cook. I have previously tenderized it. I did tenderize this on the Nurse Huckleberry show on our Twitch channel at Nurse Huckleberry. I don't really have very much salt right now. I need potatoes, which we are going to thinly slice. Don't worry, I washed this potato already. Now I'm going to sear my meat. It's not hot enough yet, so we're just gonna wait.
You ready yet?
Oh. So we want to fan out the potatoes so they form like one nice even sheet. And then we're basically going. Okay, the pan's ready. Now we're gonna add a little mushrooms to the party. Probably like 5.
Who cleans their mushrooms?
You should be cleaning your mushrooms.
Why? I don't see anything on them. I'm pretty sure you're using a dirty paper towel.
Of course I am. Might be time to flip my meat. It's not ready yet. Chippy chopping my mushrooms. I feel like it's only appropriate because Yule logs typically have mushrooms on the outside. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect release. Nice. Frankly, that's probably done enough. I've got my puff pastry here. And I'm going to lay it out in my pan. I'm glad it pleases you. Why did I let that thing in the house? Potatoes. Oh no.
Everything okay?
I don't think I've ever heard a potato scream before. Okay, our potatoes look like they're done. I'm gonna add them to my stack now, my meats. Next up, onions and mushroom. Just because it's Christmas doesn't mean we need to use a lot of dishes. I mean, as we all know, back in the olden days, you only had one pot. Don't want to waste a drop of that goodness. Okay, maybe it's hot and heavy. Ow. Spread that out nice and even.
I'm getting pretty excited for this.
I mean, this smells amazing. It really smells good. And then we're just gonna roll it up like a log. Ideally, you can seal it up, but I really don't see that happening with this gluten-free pastry dough. So I'm just gonna take the whole thing out. Yep. And then seam side down. Yeah, baby.
Now, I'm no lumberjack, but that looks like a log to me.
You know, it could look more like a log though. Stain.
Ooh.
So why don't we do that? No, it's not beer. Okay, it's not unmarked beer, it's Worcestershire.
Pretty sure they can hear that.
Yeah, well, maybe now they can hear it. Now can you hear the welcome party? And into the oven she goes. To my mat. I'll be here waiting. Ooh, ow, that's hot. Man, I wish Santa would have given me a new oven mitt for Christmas. I guess this one still does work. All right, time to put it over. Ooh, ooh. Oh, oh, oh man, that looks good. Wow, this smells delicious.
Yes.
I can't wait.
Oh crap, my mic wasn't on.
Oh crap, my mic wasn't on. Shoot, I guess we'll just have to redub that. All right, we're looking good. I do want to let it rest for just a bit. I was maybe gonna butter it, but it looks good. It looks great. It is time. Oh yeah. Okay, the old gods are happy. I'm happy about that. Right, Rob? Oh. Okay, or don't touch him. No, I guess that's all that's left, is to give this a try. Oh, it's so hot. I do that in my next holiday gathering. Thanks, Rob. Thank you so much for joining us on this wonderful Christmas afternoon. I hope you are having a nice time with your family and this maybe was a little break away from the holiday chaos. If you like what you saw here today, please don't forget to like and subscribe and to follow us over on our Twitch channel at twitch.tv/nursehuckleberry, where we cook live every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Thank you so much for watching, and a very happy holidays from all of us here at Bortco to you. Say bye!